Hi, good evening. All right. Yesterday we discussed few questions which are related to term one polynomials, right? Now we are going to discuss a few more questions which helps you to get good marks in term one. So let's see the first one. So this is the first one. The number of zeros of the given polynomial. So can you say which is the correct answer? The number of zeros of given polynomial. You can send the answer through chat. So as you know that the nth degree polynomial has at most n number of zeros. Here if you expand this, x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square will get it as x square. So the degree of this is 2 and this is 1. And the next one is also a degree of the next expression is 1. So it has at most 4 number of zeros. 2 plus 1 plus 1. So at most it has 4 number of zeros. Here it is not mentioned at most, so we can choose it as 4. And we'll see the next one. So this is the next one. The zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus m times of m plus 3 are. Which is the correct one? No? Can you say that which is the correct one? So let's make the factors. If you make it as factors, then we can easily get it. So here we can write this as x square minus 3x minus m times of m plus 3. So usually we'll take the product of the x square coefficient into and the constant term minus m times of m plus 3. So this can be expressed as m into m plus 3. So when the product is negative, both factors are having opposite signs. So the middle term sign is negative. The highest factor is negative. Which is the highest factor among these two, between these two. So one is m, another one is m plus 3, right? So m plus 3 is the highest factor. So let us take this is negative and this is positive. So we can write this as x square minus of m plus 3, or if you multiply by the minus m and minus 3, and this is plus m times of x. Instead of that, if you use the bracket only, it's good. So this is plus half minus m minus 3 plus m into x minus m times of m plus 3. So that also can be expressed as x square plus these two gets cancelled. So plus into minus is minus 3x minus m times of m plus 3. We got the same result, right? So the zeros of the polynomial are. What we get the zeros of polynomial? So we have seen that we can express in this form. So let's write this as x square plus mx minus of m plus 3x minus m times of m plus 3. So from these two, x take common. This is x plus m, and minus of m plus 3 take common. The remaining is x plus m. Now from these two, x plus m take common. That is x minus of m plus 3. So to get these zeros, let us equate these two equal to 0. So x plus m is 0, or x minus of m plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus m, or the other one is x equal to m plus 3. So these are the zeros of the polynomial, isn't it? So the correct answer is minus m and m plus 3. Option B. Let's go to the next one. So the next one is So this is the next one. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus x minus 4, then the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. Whenever they asked alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial and any expression is given to find this result, that is, convert these expressions in the form of either alpha plus beta or alpha or beta. Because when the polynomial is given, we can easily find the product of roots and sum of the roots, right? So first let us write these two. So if we compare this given polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 4. Now alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Minus b is again minus 1 by a is 1. So that the result is 1 by 1 is 1. Next, alpha beta equal to c by a. C is minus 4 by 1. So that the result is minus 4. Now we got the results of the product of roots and sum of roots. Now let us find this result. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta equal to. Find the LCM. So LCM of this is alpha beta. So this is beta plus alpha minus alpha beta whole square. Then substitute the results. Alpha plus beta, the first case. Alpha plus beta is 1 minus alpha beta is minus 4 whole square by alpha beta is minus 4. So that this is 1 minus 4 whole square is plus 16 by minus 4. So that the result is minus 15 by minus 4. So that the answer is what we get it. Minus minus gets cancelled. So 15 by 4 is the correct answer. So is there option or not? We'll see. 15 by 4. So option A is the correct answer. Right? Next. Yes, ma. 15 by 4 is the correct answer. So screen is not visible properly. Isn't it Saubanika? Harini? I think so. Screen is visible properly. Okay, ma. Thank you. So let's go to the next one. So here it is one different question. Different in the sense we should think in different way. So the value of the polynomial x power 8 minus x power 5 plus x square minus x plus 1 is. So whenever it is not mentioned anything, so x belongs to set of real numbers. So for all a set of real numbers, whether it is positive or negative, 0, or depends on the value of x, that's what we have to fix it. So can you guess it which is the correct answer? Okay, Maharni, thank you. So let's take this one, x power 8, the given polynomial, minus x power 5 plus x square minus x plus 1. So let's make the factors for our convenience. So from these two, the least power take common. So x power 5 times of x cube minus 1 plus x take common, this is x minus 1 plus 1. So take to check out this result. Yes, how it is a. So let's take the values. Put x equal to 1, a positive number and negative number and 0 also. Whatever it is, we get the result is greater than or equal to 0. So when it is greater than or equal to 0, this is positive for greater than or equal to greater than 0. So it is positive for all the real numbers. You can substitute the results using the trial and error method, then you will get it as always positive. So that it is positive for all the real numbers. Right. Next. So the next one is, if the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a plus 1x plus b are 2 and minus 3, then the value of a and b. Can you guess it which is the correct answer? Okay, when it is given, if the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, so when we substitute the value, it will become 0, right? So let's take p of x is x square plus a plus 1 times of x plus b. So if it is p of 2 equal to 0, when it is 0 of the polynomial. So 2 square plus a plus 1 into 2 plus b equal to 0. So then this result is 4 plus 2a plus 2 plus b equal to 0. Okay, my a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 6. Yes, we will check out it. So this is 2a plus b plus 6 transpose this side minus 6. So let it be take equation 1. So using the other zero of polynomial, let us get the another equation. So p of minus 3. So this is minus 3 whole square. I'm going to substitute directly here. Plus a plus 1 times of minus 3 plus b equal to 0. Then it is 9 minus 3a minus 3 plus b equal to 0. Then we get the result is minus 3a plus b. This is plus 6 transpose this side minus 6. So this is second equation. So use these two equations in linear equation, two variables. Let us solve this. 1 equal to 2a plus b equal to minus 6. And 2 is minus 3a plus b equal to minus 6. When the b coefficients are same and having the same sign, let us separate this. Yes, no, that also can be done. So this is minus a. These two gets cancelled. Sorry, this is 5a. Zero equal to this is 0. So that a equal to 0. When a equal to 0, substituting any one equation. So if, let us take 1. 1 implies 2 times of 0 plus b equal to minus 6. So b equal to minus 6. This is one way. And we'll go for the alternative method. So a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 6, right? And you can use here sum of zeros and product of zeros also. And one more is substitute option verification, that is. All right, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus of a plus 1 by 1. The result is 2 minus 3 equal to minus of a plus 1. So minus 1 equal to minus of a plus 1. So minus minus cancel, a equal to 0. When a equal to 0, find the value of b. Alpha beta equal to c by a, b by 1. So alpha beta is minus 6 equal to b. So this is a shortcut method we can use. Right. And the next one is option verification also can be done. You check out it. Next. So let's see this one. So given that one of the zeros of the cubic polynomial is 0, the product of the other two zeros is. This is a little bit tricky. So usually what we'll do is, it is easy for us alpha beta gamma equal to c by a, right? So minus the product of the zeros minus d by a. So when one alpha is 1 0 is one of the zeros is 0 is given. Usually we'll think that so if we substitute 0, then we'll get this result is 0 into beta into gamma is 0 only. But they ask the question is the product of other two zeros. That means beta into gamma. If alpha suppose cancelled as 0, we have to find the value of the product of beta and gamma. Directly if we substitute this alpha is 0, the product will get 0, but we could not find the value of beta and gamma. So when this question is given, we should recall that. So one is sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a, and the other one is the product of sum of the product of zeros. One value will get it. What is sigma? So it is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to C by A. Since one of the 0 is 0, let us consider the 0 is alpha. So if alpha is 0, this becomes 0 plus beta into gamma plus this is also gamma into 0 is 0 equal to C by A. Therefore, the product of other two zeros is beta into gamma equal to C by A. So we got left side part is the product of other two zeros and the right side value is C by A. So that the answer is C by A. If it comes to this case, the left side part is vanished. So we cannot find the result. So you please concentrate on this. Then it is easy only. Yes, Maharini, you are right. And even Saubanik also. So then we'll see the next one. So come to the next one. The graph of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is an upward parabola. If here there are two conditions only, most probably we'll use in our level. If a is positive, the parabola opens upwards. If a is negative, the parabola opens downwards. That's it, man. So based on that concept, so the first condition is if a is greater than 0, parabola opens upwards. And if a less than 0, the parabola opens downwards. So what will get the answer? As for this question, the graph of the polynomial, the graph of the quadratic polynomial is always gives a parabola. Is an upward parabola is mentioned. Upward in the sense when a greater than 0. Right now. Let's go to the next one. So this is the next one. If a minus b, a and a plus b are zeros of polynomial, cubic polynomial is given, then the value of a is. So how can we find it? So let's take the first one is alpha. So alpha is a minus b, beta is a, and gamma is a plus b. Are the zeros of polynomial, then the value of a is. Let's take the sum of the zeros, because whenever it is given, if you add these three, minus b plus b gets cancelled, right? So we'll get only one variable a. So let's use this concept. Based on this, if we compare with this equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, the standard form of the cubic polynomial, where the x cube coefficient is 2 and y cube coefficient is minus 6, sorry, x square coefficient, and x coefficient is 5 and constant is minus 7. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is the sum of the roots value is, usually here AB are already used, so we'll write this as minus of coefficients of x square by coefficient of x cube. So let's substitute these results. Alpha is, we know that a minus b, plus beta is a, plus gamma is a plus b, equal to minus coefficient of x square is minus 6. So minus of minus 6 by coefficient of x cube is 2. Yes, ma, that's it. So here minus b plus b gets cancelled. So that the result is 3a equal to minus of minus plus 6 by 2. This is 2 3 times. So a equal to is 3 by 3. So that the answer is 1. Let's go to the next one. I think so it's clear, right? So let's go to the next one. If one of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial of the form x square plus ax plus b is a negative of the other, then it has no linear term and the constant term is negative. Has no linear term and the constant term is positive. Can have a linear term but the constant term is negative. Can have a linear term but the constant term is positive. So what do you understand about this? How it is option A? Yes, you are right, ma'am. How it is option A? So we'll see that. Let's take these two zeros. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus ax plus b. Then one is alpha, the other condition, the condition is given. One of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is the negative of the other. When alpha is positive, the other one is negative. So beta we can take it as minus alpha. Now let's take the sum of the zeros. Alpha plus of minus alpha is nothing but alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So that the result is 0, a equal to 0. What's the meaning of this if a equal to 0? A equal to 0 in the sense this term will be vanished. When the highest power of the variable is 1, then only it is called a linear or has no linear term. Linear term in the sense, in this case, ax is called linear term because the power of the x is 1. If a equal to 0, the linear term is vanished, so that it has no linear term. So we have fixed that option A or B is the correct answer. And the constant term is negative or positive, that should be decided now. It depends on the product of zeros. So the product of zeros is alpha into minus alpha. Beta value is minus alpha, right? So C by A. So B by 1. So minus alpha square is B. Assumption, so instead of assumption, we'll get this as alpha square is minus B. That means product of zeros is constant term is product of zeros only. We cannot write here alpha equal to square root of minus b because under the root the negative value does not exist in set of real numbers. But as we know that b is if x minus a into x minus b are the factors, then x square minus of a plus bx plus ab. The product of zeros only the constant term. So product of zeros here alpha beta is alpha square as we got it based on the condition, so that it is a negative. So as per the given condition, if one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is negative of the other, then it has no linear term. It is fixed by the first condition, and the next one is constant term is negative. So option A is the correct answer. I hope so. It's clear, right? Yes, my assumption also you can do it. Let's go to the next one. So these are all very important questions, and what we discussed initially, we are going to conduct a test, right, after complete this portion. So the test registration fees, you just will pay 49 rupees, right? And there's a chance to get a reward of 499. So most of the questions will be given what we are going to discuss in the class. But you can expect the other than these also, but same models and related to the same concept, which helps you to for the first term examinations. Okay, we'll see this. So here it is given p of x. This is x power 4. So x power 4 minus ax cube plus bx square minus cx plus 8 equal to 0 is divided by x minus 1, leaves a remainder 4. But is divided by x plus 1, leaves a remainder 3. Then the value of b is. Here most of them got the doubt is, sir, here there are 3 variables, so how can we find this? We can form only 2 linear equations because 2 devices are given. But when 2 devices are given, first let us proceed. There is a chance to get cancel at a time both terms, so we can easily get the other term is the answer. So let's consider p of x. So p of x is x power 4 minus ax cube plus bx square minus cx plus 8. Divided by x minus 1. If you divide it by x minus 1 using the remainder theorem, when it is divided by x minus 1, we can substitute x is 1. So 0 of the polynomial is 1. So let's substitute it. 1 power 4 minus a times of 1 cube plus b times of 1 square minus c times of 1 plus 8 equal to 0. Then we get it as 1 minus a plus b minus c plus 8 equal to 0. Then it is minus a plus b minus c. This is 1 plus 8 is 9. If you transpose this side, minus 9. Let it be take equation 1. So another condition also given a device. It is divided by x plus 1. When it is divided by x plus 1, we can take it as 0 as minus 1. So we get this result is, let us substitute in this directly. So that the answer is minus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus a times of minus 1 whole cube plus b times of minus 1 whole square c times of minus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. Let's simplify this. So this is 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, so that it is plus a. Next, minus 1 whole square is plus 1b, minus of minus plus c plus 8 equal to 0. So that the answer is a plus b plus c equal to minus 9. So this is considered as equation 2. So from these equations 1 and 2, so here minus a, this is plus a, minus c plus c. So let's add these two. If you add these two, we'll get the answer is minus a plus a gets cancelled. So plus b is 2b, minus c plus c gets cancelled. This is minus 9 is minus 18. Isn't it? Oh, here the remainder is different. So that I didn't get it. So here remainder we have to see. When p of 1 is leaves the remainder 4. When it leaves the remainder is 4, we should write the remainder is 4. If it is 4, minus 9 is minus 5. Sorry for that. And here also leaves the remainder is 3, the next case. So we should equate to 3. If we equate to 3, this is minus 6. Then if you simplify that, we'll get the result is minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11. Then b equal to minus 11 by 2. So that the answer is minus 5.5. That's it. Therefore, b equal to minus 5.5. Is it clear? So option B is the correct answer. Value of b is minus 5.5. Right. So let's go to the next one. So this is the question is given. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Then g of x equal to, whenever it is given p of x dividend, g of x to find or r of x to find anyone. So we'll recall the algorithm. What's that algorithm? So when option C is correct, ma, let us check it. So let's recall the division algorithm. Then as we know that p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where degree of r of x is 0 less than or equal to degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Usually we'll write the condition, but we'll use this statement only. So from this we can write, we want g of x only. So let us separate g of x. It is easy to get the result. So p of x minus r of x by q of x equal to g of x. You have to find g of x only. So p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus, sorry, minus r of x. So here quotient and remainder. So first one is q of x, the next one is r of x. When we are subtracting these, the signs would change. So this is plus 2x minus 4 all divided by q of x is x minus 2, that equal to g of x. So let's simplify this. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x is plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by x minus 2. So if possible, we can factorize it, or else use long division method. It is easy to get the result. Which one shall we use? So let's divide it. So it is easy to get the result. While dividing two polynomials, the first condition would be write the descending powers of the dividend. So it is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. 3, 2, 1, 0. It is in descending powers of x only. Divided by x minus 2. It is also in descending powers of x. So if you divide this, what you'll get the result? No? So first one is x square. This is x cube minus 2x square. Let us subtract these, 2 gets cancelled, minus and plus. So this is minus x square. So take one more term, 3x. Here there are two terms in the divisor, so we need two terms. So the first term of the new dividend, minus x square, divided by the first term of the divisor. So we'll get minus x. So let's write minus x. Multiply with x minus 2. Minus x square plus 2x. So subtract this. These two gets cancelled. So this is x. And the last term is minus 2, take it. X minus 2, 1 times x minus 2. So this is x minus 2. The remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, then this quotient is called g of x. Therefore, g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is the answer. Is it clear? X square minus x plus 1. So option C is the correct answer. Let's go to the next one. So if you go to the next one, this is one more important question. No? It is a little bit hard also. So here it is given a quadratic polynomial when divided by x plus 2 leaves a remainder of 1. And when divided by x minus 1 leaves a remainder 4. What will be the remainder if it is divided by x plus 2 to x minus 1? What is the correct answer? No? Can you guess it? Option C. Okay, we'll check it. So here in this case, what is the quadratic polynomial? We do not know. It's not mentioned. So let the quadratic polynomial be, take it as p of x. when it is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is it is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is p of minus 2 is 1. And when it is divided by x minus 1, so p of 1 is remainder is 4. This is what the condition is given. Now, when p of x is divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1, since it is quadratic polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 2. If you find the product of this degree is also 2. When the degrees are dividend and divisor are same, then the remainder can be at most linear polynomial. So it may be in the form of ax plus b. What is the linear polynomial? We do not know the remainder. We are assuming it in the form of ax plus b at most. Right? Now p of x can be expressed as some constant c times of x plus 2 into x minus 1, because what is u of x exactly we do not know, plus the remainder is in the form of ax plus b. Now here we got this result is p of minus 2 is 1, right? So let's substitute it, p of minus 2. And it is minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this term becomes 0. So we get this result is ax plus b. Isn't it? This one 0, we need not write. Or if you want, you can write. But p of minus 2, as we know that the given condition is 1. So we can write this result is ax plus b equal to 1. This is taken as first equation. Right? Then go to the next equation. So p of 1 is 4. So p of 1 in the sense, if you substitute 1 here, again it becomes 0 plus ax plus b. If it is minus 2, so here we should substitute minus 2 x value. So this is minus 2a plus b is 1. Now here we have to substitute 1. A times of 1. Isn't it, Ma? So Varnika, that's what you are saying, right? Equal to 4. Now we can write this result is a plus b equal to 4. Let's simplify this. If you simplify this, if you observe this, this is minus 2a plus b plus b 1 4. So this is second equation. Let's subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2 implies this is minus 3a equal to minus 3. So that a equal to 1. When a equal to 1, a plus b is 4. So 2 implies b equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So when a is 1, b is 3, then the remainder is in the form of ax plus b. So a is, we know that 1 and x plus 3. So the remainder would be x plus 3. That's it. So that it is x plus 3 is the correct answer. So that's all. That's it now. So the remaining questions, most probably different types of questions are completed. If I find any questions, we'll go through it, or else we'll go to the new concept in the next class. So get ready for the next class and prepare well for the upcoming exam. So it will help you for your examinations as well as which we are going to conduct the exam for the rewards also. So if you like the class and if you feel that it helps you to get good marks, so you can like, share, and comment the same, as well as kind of invite your friends to join the classes, right? Thank you. See you in the